everyone, I'm Kavya doing my final year BE Civil Engineering at Sona College of Technology. My guide is Dr. Gulshan Taj. She is the Associate Professor of Department of Civil Engineering at Sona College of Technology. I'm going to present about precision agriculture based on leaf chlorophyll content using IoT and UAV technology. The world population has increased day by day and projected to reach 9 billion people by 2050, so that the agricultural consumption will also increase. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed on the need for the country to be self-resilient in agriculture. Be it drone technology, artificial intelligence, or any other modern agricultural equipment, young youth are meant to play a major role that will uplift the economy of the country in a greater extent. This COVID-19 situation had created a greater impact in all sectors and especially in the agricultural sector, thereby it decreases the economic growth of the farmers. Farmers couldn't monitor the crops health regularly in this pandemic. Thus, it created a greater impact and caused a big economic crisis. Hence, this technology could address the problem of farmers and precision agriculture will be considered as the need of the hour. For this, one best solution is by incorporating the drone technology integrated with Internet of Things will cater post-COVID situation in idea is by monitoring the health of the crops using drone technology and calculating the NDVI index using post-processing softwares. Farmers can able to get data about their crops and their health index. Information will be sent to the farmers about the crop health through ICT tool and by providing database to the government to avail insurance and other government schemes to the farmers, and thereby they can do better management decisions, improve crop yields and increase the overall profitability. By this technology, we can protect and support the self-resilience that is a concept in Indian agricultural system in this post-pandemic situation, while also taking steps to ensure future systematic shocks that can be handled quickly and effectively. So the main objective of our project is to monitor the health of the crops using drone technology. We need to calculate the NDVI index and to inform the farmers about the crop health and to provide database to the government to avail the insurance for the farmers. So this project is basically an interdisciplinary project which provides solution to carry out the precision agriculture and improve their economic status. Information will be provided timely about the crop health to the farmers through the app which we have developed. So this technology attracts rural youth in great amount to involve in agriculture. It will increase the economic growth of the country. So the main principle behind our project is that NDVI index. With the help of this NDVI index, we can able to easily identify the defected crops and the healthier crops so easily. So it is nothing but a spectral index relating the difference between the reflected energy in the near infrared part of the spectrum and the reflected energy in the red part of the spectrum. So the working principle behind our project is that first we need to identify the farmer's problem in agriculture, and after identifying it we need to select a particular field and we have gathered all the details about the particular field. We need to mark the boundaries of the field. Once the boundaries are marked, we need to make a flight plan. So once the drone is set to fly, it will capture the images. After that, the post processing will be done in the context capture software. We need to calculate the NDVI index. After all these results have been acquired, we need to upload it in the farmers portal that we have developed, which is Kisan Smart Suvidha, so that farmers can able to identify the defected crops and healthier crops so easily. For implementing this project, we have done a case study, that is Salem district, because of its progressive nature in the farming community. Before implementing this project, we have gathered feedback from many farmers. Farmers are really welcoming our idea and they are really interested to adopt this technology in agriculture to increase their productivity. You could see it in the bar graph, and here is the sample feedback form which we have gathered from the farmers. The field of interest that is to be monitored is situated in Dalmia Board, Salem district. The main crop cultivated in this area is about corn, which is 1.2 acres, and with the consent permission from the landowners, we have done survey the field to determine its crop health. Once the drone is set to fly, it will be able to capture the images using the autopilot method. The drone images captures the crop in the area proposed to be monitored. After capturing the images, post-processing in Daniel context capture software, and with the output we have gathered, that was boundary details, orthomosaic view, digital surface model of the field, and with the help of NDVI we can able to identify the healthier crops and unhealthy crops. Here is the result of that. Greener portion indicates the healthier crops and the red portion indicates the crops are defected. After this, these results will be uploaded in farmers portal, that is we have developed Kisan Smart Suvidha. This is the interface of that application where farmers can have access to it, and farmers can able to identify the defected crops so easily, and they can rectify it with necessary actions. So our project attracts the rural youth to involve in agriculture by adopting this technology. That way it will increase the economic productivity. The application which we have developed is Smart Kisan Suvidha. So all those details will be uploaded here. So farmers can able to identify the defected region so easily, and they can get access to it within less time period. After identifying the defected crops, farmers can treat it in the earlier manner to make it as an effective one. This application also contains the details of farmers and about their land properties too. This also has daily news feeds about agriculture technology to adopt their knowledge in this technology. This information will be available in the regional language so that farmers can able to understand much more clearly. Especially in this situation, during cyclones, farmers can avail insurance with the database provided to the government through this technology. This precision farming is more likely to increase in the long term after COVID-19 breakdown. So I would like to say that this precision farming makes it possible to monitor the state of the crops, which is not being physically present, through the usage of automation, minimizing the need of contact of other people, which is especially crucial, save lot of time and cost, and these factors help to obtain greater output with limited labor force during this pandemic situation where there is shortage of labor, and thus would help in regular supply of food, thereby ensuring the food security. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. For any queries, contact these details. Thank you.